Hello my dear children. Children, today in English we are going to revise two sounds of C, two sounds of G, two-letter consonant blend with the help of a small worksheet. Our first question is, write next to the word if it is soft C or hard C. In the previous videos, we have learnt about soft C and hard C, right? Soft C has the S sound. Hard C has the K sound. Now see the first word, C-O-W, cow. In the word cow, the letter C sounds K. K, K, cow. It makes the hard sound K. So write here hard C. Next word is C-I-R-C-U-S, circus. In the word circus, the letter C sounds S. It makes the soft sound circus. So write here soft C. C-A-K-E, cake. In the word cake, the letter C sounds K. K. It makes hard sound K. K, K, cake. So write here hard C. Next, C-Y-C-L-E, cycle. In the word cycle, the letter C sounds S. It makes soft sound cycle. So write here soft C. Next, face. F-A-C-E, face. In the word face, the letter C sounds S. It makes soft sound face. So write here soft C. Cold. C-O-L-D, cold. In the word cold, the letter C sounds K. Cold. It makes hard sound K. So write here hard C. R-I-C-E, rice. In the word rice, the letter C sounds S. It makes soft sound rice. So write here soft C. Camel. C-A-M-E-L, camel. In the word camel, the letter C sounds K. It makes hard sound K. Camel. So write here hard C. Next word is juice. J-U-I-C-E, juice. In the word juice, the letter C sounds S. It makes soft C sound juice. So write here soft C. Next question is, say the name of each picture and color if it makes a hard or soft G sound. Children, in the previous video, we have learnt about two sounds of G. Hard G sound and soft G sound. What is the sound of hard G? G. And what is the sound of soft G? J. Now see the first picture. This is dog. In the word dog, the letter G sounds G. G. Dog. It makes hard sound G. So, color hard G. See the next picture. This is engine. Engine. In the word engine, the letter G sounds J. J. It makes soft sound J. Engine. So color soft G. See the next picture. This is mango. Mango. In the word mango, the letter G sounds G. It makes hard sound G. Mango. So color hard G. This is an orange. Orange. In the word orange, the letter G sounds J. It makes soft sound J. Orange. So color soft G. Next question is fill in the blanks with the correct consonant blend. What do you mean by consonant blend? A consonant blend is a combination of two or more consonants, but we can hear the sound of each consonant. Look here, these are blends. BL, bl, BR, br, CL, cl, CR, cr, DR, dr, FL, fl, FR, fr, GL, gl, GR, gr. See the first picture. This is clock. Clock. In the word clock, can you hear the cl sound in the beginning? Yes. So write here CL, cl, clock. This is glove. Glove. In the word glove, can you hear the gl sound in the beginning? Yes. So the correct blend is GL. GL, gl, glove. This is frog. Frog. In the word frog, can you hear the fr sound in the beginning? So the correct blend is FR, fra. Frog. This is flag. Flag. In the word flag, can you hear the fl sound in the beginning? So the correct blend is FL, fla. Fla, flag. This is drum. Drum. In the word drum, can you hear the dr sound in the beginning? So the correct blend is dr. Dr, dr. Dr, drum. See the next picture. In this picture, the baby is crying. Crying. In the word crying, can you hear the cr sound in the beginning? Yes. So the correct blend is CR, cr. Cr, cry. In the next picture, we can see grass. Grass. In the word grass, can you hear the gr sound in the beginning? Yes. So the correct blend is gr, grass. This is a brush. In the word brush, can you hear the br sound in the beginning? Yes. So the correct blend is br, brush. See the last picture. This is a bread. Can you hear the br sound in the beginning? Yes. So the correct blend is bra. Bread.